Happy Tuesday. You'll watch this on Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Oh my god. So this is Counter Business Vlog series. You know, we're just going crazy with the vlogging. So today we're making room sprays, alright? I had to buy more. I get my room spray bottles from Amazon. This will be a vlog of me restocking room sprays and how I upload my photos and market my offers, because I have an offer to market, which is my bundle deal. Yes guys, so it's been a while. Honestly, I saw Princess, shout out to Princess, I'm very inspired by her. I saw like 2 years ago that she had a bundle with like bath salts, body butters, body oil. It was like this cute bundle, right? And it was, and I bought it because I was like, I love bundles. And then it hit me a week ago because I have all of these candles and room sprays with the same stickers on them, the same labels. I was like, I should make bundles. Okay guys, first we're gonna start off with cleaning off this table. As I just mentioned, I had a farmer's market on Saturday. It is Monday. So I unloaded my car. I removed all my products from these boxes, but now I just have to put the boxes away. I've been like doing this in like old waves, because if you do a farmer's market on Saturday, like it really takes away from my whole routine. Like I like to clean my house through Saturday and Sunday, but like on Saturday I was filming and uploading, and then Sunday I was also filming and uploading all day. I post like an 80-minute vlog. If you haven't seen it already, go watch it. It's posted on Sunday. But yeah, in that video, I just went into detail about all of the things. Why do I feel like I should start posting shorts? Like, I'm gonna start posting TikTok vlogs. Maybe this is God talking to me, because I've been really in like this emotional state of just trying to listen to God. You know, that was so dramatic, wasn't it? My period is so close. It could be here any moment now. But I've been trying to listen to God, and I was just like, maybe I keep hearing in my head, you should be like, as I'm filming this long video, I'm like, you should be doing TikTok shorts. So yeah, we're gonna do the video and the TikTok. So yeah, I'm just trying to clear this table off though, because like, Brody came home, went to pick him up. I don't know why I wasn't doing this before, but like, honestly, I felt like TikToks and stuff gave me anxiety. I'll think of TikTok and I'm like, oh, it's a short video. I don't know why, which is so ironic, because it's like, this type of stuff should give you anxiety. These are long, elaborate videos, and that's why it's so hard for me to be like a daily upload, because on YouTube I like to take my time, tell you guys all my thoughts and my feelings and everything. But it's not necessary. So I'm gonna like, let's just get everything organized, and then we will make room sprays. We'll make room sprays. Because I actually watch more short form content from business owners than I watch long form. So, because you know, you quickly can decide if you like them or not. And typically I'll find like short form content for a lifestyle person, and then I'll watch the long form content. So guys, we'll see how this goes. Like, what if we talk about this right now? It turns into like a big, beautiful business. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take them all out of the plastic. I am feeling good. Making room sprays. Just as I was opening those up, I was like, is this worth it? Are these ever gonna make a lot of money? Am I gonna become a millionaire from room sprays? That's what I was thinking. So, oh, also earlier, like 10 minutes ago, I was like, you gotta stop being your #1 hater and start being your #1 advocate and be like, you know what if this goes viral? what if I make a TikTok? Like I told y'all, I be encouraging y'all to take my advice. I made a post on YouTube about the fact that it's very important to know that it only takes one TikTok to go viral. It only takes one person you meet to help you expand your business, and you could go viral any day. So just keep the hope alive. And a lot of people were very responsive to that, and I think I need to take my own advice, because honestly, that is incredibly true, especially even with this. Like, it only takes one TikTok to go viral. Like, I would love to sell room sprays full time. They smell so freaking good. And I actually use my own supplies. And typically I try to stay away from using my candles. But room sprays, man, what? So here's Sandal with Escape. I made this last week for you guys. And then Cashmere Woods. I really feel like I'm about to just make the TikTok, and then I'll come back and really just share with you all how I upload everything onto my website and then how I market it. Okay, now we're gonna move in. Like, by the way, look at this. I just added in my room spray is blacked out. Like, it looks so bougie. What? Cozy freaking vibes. Okay, period. But room sprays are here. Bundles are right below it. I'm super excited. It's cozy season. Let's get to it. You need to buy a guide if you haven't bought a guide. What you doing? Like, I could change your whole business, make you a little more saucy right here. And you use the code Fall Vibes for 25% off sensevision.com. But beyond that, I was thinking of creating my email marketing alone, and then I was like, you know what? This is something y'all struggle with, so I'm gonna help you with it. Okay, boom. All right. So that shows me that the background is not black. That motherfucker's not black. So boom, now it is. And here you go. Change this stuff. All right. So here's how the email turned out. Introducing bundles. I put on my AI generated text. Shop now. And then I put the bundle here. And then the beautiful freaking rim sprays. Oh my goodness. They look so pretty. There you go. Okay. Always include emojis because people click on the emojis. So we're going to send this now. I'm so excited for people to know. Okay, that was so exciting. Into it. So I want to make a commercial. So we're gonna go Instagram Reel. I used to do these in 2022 and they did really well, so we're bringing them back. Bring it back. So I'm changing it to my theme. You should change it to yours. Mine's like all black everything, you know, my vibes. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to my pictures that I just pulled out. Yeah, all of these. Put them in. It's a wrap for you, boy. Okay. So we're going to put this in here like this. Do you see that? Cute. Really like this. See what I'm saying? Oh, lopsided. I am an artiste. I am creative. I am the creation of creativity. If you was wondering who I am, my name is Creation of Creativity. See the vibes? That's the whole commercial, y'all. So it's a 9-second commercial. So now I'm just going to download it, send it to my phone, add some relevant music to it from like probably TikTok, and then I'll repost it to my Instagram because Instagram business does not allow you to get good music.